Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk
Well,
about
hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick, because it is a work day for me today. I started making the 3 braces last night, and I got a little tired and I went ahead and went to bed. So this afternoon, during my lunch break, I went ahead and made the fourth bracelet. I don't know which one is the fourth, but one of these is the fourth bracelet. So I was able to go ahead and make a 4 stack using those crystal beads. I like them. I think they look pretty good. I'm not really sure if I'm liking the crystal or not. Um, I guess I like color. I do like the way they shine. They shine really well. And then I guess they match good with the gold. And then I was thinking to make another bracelet that is colorful to match with it. But then I was like, well, nah, I don't think I want to go that way. I think I'm going to just leave it like this. And then take some pictures of it, actually put it on a couple of websites to see if I could sell the stack. And then, just go from there. So if the stack sells pretty good, if there's interest in the crystals like this, I will make more of them. So the beads are gorgeous though. I'm just not sure if I like it with them all together. I don't know. Maybe it's just the clear look of them. I don't know. But I am like in love with the white beads. You see, I added some white beads on here. And I do need to order some more of these white beads. But this is the little stack for today. And I will be back later with some more, probably bracelets. And then I'm working on some other projects. So guess what? Darlene Knight for Jury by BDK. We got new subscribers. We get new subscribers pretty much every day. And I do appreciate that you hit the subscribe button in addition to clicking on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. That's really good stuff. The channel is growing like really good, really fast. There's a lot, I believe, good information throughout the videos. Sometimes, like if you run into a video and there's not a sermon in the video, because y'all know I like to do my little sermons. So if it's not a sermon in the video, chances are I'm not very talkative that day. That's all that is. It's not for any other reason other than Darlene ain't feeling too talkative today, right? Also, I have another project that I'm working on, and that project, it will have audiobooks, it will have audios, it will have business tips, it'll have like all type of information in audio form. And I decided to do what it is that I'm doing because I get a lot of emails, I get a lot of questions, a lot of questions about things. There's a lot of people that are kind of beginners. And then there are people that have been making jewelry and they're not really sure how to navigate or move to the next level as it relates to establishing their business and doing certain things with the business and all that good stuff. So there's a lot of information that is going to go on this platform that I'm putting together now. I am going to put a link down there. You can join it. It is going to, a lot of the videos, audio videos, are going to be free. If you want to purchase any of the ebooks will be available for purchasing. There is a membership that is attached to the platform. And memberships are attached to a lot of these platforms because that helps me to do what it is that I'm doing and provide you with all this information. A lot of those videos, audios, and things will be of no cost. So you can go ahead and join for free. Just join the free membership. And with the free membership, whatever you can access, you'll be able to access, and that'll be quite a bit. And then there will be other videos where you do have to actually have a membership in order to hear those other videos or maybe those ebooks and things like that. So what I'm doing now is just kind of creating an archive of information that I know that I may not cover in videos, like when I'm making the jewelry and everything, because I get a lot of questions. And when I say a lot of questions, I mean a lot of questions. And then for somebody to ask you a question, I believe that they believe that what you're telling them, is pretty solid information. And it is because I do a lot of trainings. I go to a lot of workshops. I got a education background, not saying that you guys don't, but I have a background in business. I have a degree in business. I've been in business my entire life. I come from a family of business owners, from owning grocery stores to owning catering businesses and all kind of stuff. So I do kind of come from that background. Not only that though, I'm pretty good about staying abreast to new technology, new information, social media, just a lot of different things. And I'm going to be putting all that, not all that information, but a lot of that information in audio form. And then that way you'll be able to buzz over to this particular platform. You can listen to it and just take from it what you will. That's all there is. There ain't no more. The idea is to create more value than what is already here with Jury by BDK. And then, like I'm saying, there's a lot of questions, there's a lot of inquiries. You know, people are really doing what people are doing. People are taking what they're doing very serious. And if you're not one of the people that are trying to take your business, not necessarily business, but whatever it is that you do, like you're not trying to make a business out of it, that's all good. Nobody is judging at all, period. If making jewelry or whatever it is that you do is what you do, you take joy in doing that. That's your downtime. You know, that's your creative space. That's your time where you could just relax and do what you do. That's good stuff too. That's even more valuable than trying to do anything else. So if that's what you're doing, that's good stuff. But there are enough people that are trying to, not only trying to, but have made a business out of what it is that they do in the sense of making jewelry, and they're trying to elevate to different levels. And I think I say that in a lot of videos, there are a lot of opportunities. You have to find opportunities that are available to where you can sell your jewelry. You can sell your jewelry, you can sell pictures of your jewelry, you could establish your YouTube channel to the point where you get to 1,000 subscribers, and I think it's 4,000 watch hours and all that good stuff. And people are doing it. People are literally doing it, and you got to put in the work. And then once you get that, even more work begins then. Because if you don't keep up with the work, guess what? You fall to the background on YouTube. They won't suggest any of your videos or anything, right? So there's a lot that you can do. And then once you get the 1,000 subscribers, you got the 4,000 watch hours. Now you're proof of the partnership. Once you're proof of the partnership, now if you have a Shopify website, now you can integrate Shopify into your YouTube channel. Now across the top of your little menu on your YouTube channel, people can click on shop. And when they click on shop, there is a display of your product there. I don't know why they don't. Well, I do know why in the sense of business. I understand why they do it. So Shopify will allow you to integrate. There's Spreadshop, not Spreadshop. I think it's Spreadshirt. And then there's another website that they will allow you to integrate. But any other like Wix or any of the other ones, they won't allow you to integrate it, meaning that they won't allow you to connect it to where you're able to sell from that website on YouTube. They won't do that. And then once you do that, once you have your store connected to your YouTube, it's a matter of building your business on YouTube through YouTube. Also, you want to collect emails. So not just letting YouTube have everything, you want to establish an email list too. So you want to gather data, you want to gather emails, you want to do all those things so that you can periodically send people out emails and say, hey, I got a new product, or hey, I got a new I'm starting a digital magazine, or hey, I'm got a survey going on and I would like for you to partake in it or be a part of it. Can you do that for me? So all roads lead back to you, your website, and your email list. So you do want to establish an email list. I was having a conversation with somebody the other day. I'm a little talkative today, but check this out. Sermon. So she was saying something about Amazon not approving her for the influencer program. Amazon is a little finicky sometimes. Keep applying. What they look for is engagement. So if you're on and use whatever I would suggest YouTube. So if you have a certain amount of subscribers on YouTube, and let's say you're a partner now, what Amazon influencer program looks for is engagement. So they want to see that the people that are your subscribers are engaging with you and commenting and talking to you, and you're talking to them and all that good stuff. And that's why I always say, in a couple of videos, I think I've said that don't ever let people make a comment or say something to you and you don't answer back. Ain't none of us no star. We ain't no superstars all up on here. And even if we were superstars on here, that is very inconsiderate not to answer people back. So if somebody make a comment or they ask you a question or they, like whatever is whatever, have a conversation with them because they took the time and made a decision to subscribe to your channel. They didn't have to subscribe to your channel. What they did is made a conscious decision to say, I like the content. I like the personality of the person. I like what the person gives. I like what this person is offering. Let me go ahead and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, let me click the bell too, so I'll be notified each time she uploads a video. So don't take that stuff for granted. So if people are say, make a comment or whatever it is, answer people back. It does not take very much. And sometimes we get overwhelmingly busy. And there are times that we cannot answer every comment back. However, click on like, click the thumbs up and click a heart. And then if you can come back to it, and then make sure that you let people know in your videos, hey, I try to get to every single comment, but there are times that I'm not able to comment back because I have so much going on. However, what I will do is I will click on the thumbs up and I will click on the heart. That is an indicator that I saw the comment. Thank you. I appreciate you being here. That's good stuff. But you can't let that be the norm, when people are using their time and their energy to reach out to you and you not commenting back. I've been seeing a lot of people on a lot of channels be doing that kind of stuff. And it's like, I'm not doing all that with you because if you're not commenting back to me, this is a one-way relationship. If you're not answering back to me or ask a question or whatever is whatever, and you never respond, I'm not in this relationship by myself. I'll unscribe. I will unscribe. I don't be on their Instagram, like none of that kind of stuff. And I'm like, okay, well, there was a time when people were untouchable. Now is not that time. Now is not that time. Now is the time to be building whatever little community is that you're building. Let people know, hey, I hear you. I'm here. I appreciate you. The whole everything is I appreciate you making a conscious decision to subscribe and comment or even hit like. That's good stuff. But when you ignore people, don't be ignoring folks. Don't be doing that kind of stuff. And if you put yourself in the position of the other person and then feel how that feels, I think people will look at things a little bit more differently than what they're doing, right? It's all about building whatever it is that you have. You want people to come along with you. You want people to be a part of it. You want people to learn from what it is that you're doing. And if they're going to learn from what it is that you're doing, make sure that they're learning the right way to do it. Make sure that they're learning from you. Okay, this is the best way I know how to do it in building a community, and that's inclusive, right? But anyway, y'all came here for a summer, and I think you got one today. But guess what? Lunch break is over, and we'll talk.